Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back with Miss Aria. And today we're going to be doing a simple combo braid for you guys. We're just going to do a French braid into a fishtail braid. There's lots of variations you can make it to this style, and we'll show you that as we go. If you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. That would really help support the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, so to start this style, I've just dampened her hair a little bit, particularly on the top, so I can get the frizzies and flyaways as incorporated as much as possible. Then I've just brushed the hair straight back, and I'm gonna take a section right in the front on the top and start a regular French braid. So I'm just going to split that into 3 and cross the outside strands over the middle. And then we're just going to add in hair to the sides as we braid back. Just a standard French braid. And we're just going to do the French braid until we get all of the hair that's hanging down incorporated. Okay, so now we have all of the hair incorporated into the French braid, and now we are going to start a fishtail braid. We're going to switch it up here. So we're just going to take these 2 strands and then split the one that's in the middle in half and combine to make 2 strands. Now that we have our 2 strands, we're just going to take a small section from the outside of the right and cross it over to the inside of the left. And then the same thing, a section from the outside of the left and cross it over to the inside of the right. Just a basic fishtail braid from here till we reach the bottom of the hair. Now when you've braided down as far as you'd like to, I've braided to where the shorter ends of her hair are starting to pop out. So I'm going to end the braid here, secure it with a little elastic. And there you have your combo braid. You got your French braid, and then you switch it over into a fishtail braid, and it just gives the braid a different texture and just something cute and fun and a little different. And that's it. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. And there's lots of variations you could have done to this braid. You could take any 2 styles of braids that you like and just combine them. You could have done a Dutch braid on top instead of a French braid and done the fishtail. Or you could have done a French fishtail on top and then just changed it into a regular 3-strand braid at the bottom. Lots of ways that you could change this up and make it to fit your own sense of style. So I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at SugarandSpice Hairstyles. I'll have those links in the description bar down below. And that's it for this one. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Bye.